Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix WhatsApp error could not link device. So when you are connecting to your WhatsApp web at that time guys, if you are facing this type of editing error on your phone, so how to fix this error? Now in this video we will going to learn this guys. So for this guys, just follow this easy and very simple method till end very carefully. So I am going to show you 3 to 4 methods to fix this issue. So when you are facing this type of error guys, if your internet connection is not good at that time guys, you can face 100% definitely this type of error on your phone. So the main reason behind this error, if your internet connection is not good, you can face this type of error. Okay, in case if your internet connection is good, after then you are facing this type of error guys, now you can try another fixes to fix this. Okay, close your WhatsApp. After closing, just you need to turn off your mobile data, or your if you are using Wi-Fi, just enable and disable your internet one time. After doing this guys, now hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem guys, now what you need to do, you need to restart your phone. After restarting, go to Google Play Store like this. In the Google Play Store, here you need to search WhatsApp. If the WhatsApp app update was available, just you need to update the app, that's it. Okay, after updating, now try to reconnect your WhatsApp web from your phone. Hopefully this time it will fix your problem. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, you can follow this next method. Now you need to open your phone settings like this. In the phone settings, go to apps and notification, and from here you need to find out the WhatsApp and open it like this. Okay, and go to the storage. From here you need to clear the caches and go back. Now you need to tap on force stop one time like this. After doing this guys, you need to restart your phone one more time. After restarting, now directly open your WhatsApp, try to link your device to your WhatsApp web. Now it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.